Today we're going to make eggplant parmesan, and let's just take a look at some of the things that you need. Of course, you need the eggplant. You're going to need a potato peeler if you have one, so you can peel the skin off the eggplant. You need 2 bowls, so this way you can put the egg in one bowl and your breadcrumbs in the other. We're going to get our sheet pans, and I have old sheet pans, so whatever sheet pans that you have. But what we're going to do is we're going to use some parchment paper sliced. You can even use yellow cheese. If you have yellow cheese, I tell you the truth, yellow cheese on eggplant parmesan, it gives it a, it sticks together good and it makes it taste really, really good. So that's basically all you need. Now we're going to pick out that perfect eggplant. So the first thing we're going to do is cut that little tip off the end. Okay, next, get your knife. If you're uncomfortable with a big knife, get a small knife, whatever you feel comfortable with. A little bit at the end. And now you're going to start to slice it. So, not too big, not too small. You don't want it too thick. Okay, you ready? Here we go. You're going to get your parchment paper. Take a piece, exact size, a little bit of the breadcrumbs in there. Sprinkle it around. And I like to put a little bit of flour, making a mess, right? It's okay. This is about 1/4 cup of flour. Breadcrumbs. I like to have my breadcrumbs a little lighter, so it's not so heavy. And it usually makes a lighter. So you have your station, you're ready. You're ready to go. Put those on the side. 1, get your eggplant, dip it in, dip it, turn it, let that excess fall off. Then one side, the other side, and onto the baking pan. Probably should have had a bigger bowl. That would have been smarter, but hey, whatever bowl you have, that's what you use. Let it drip off. 5 minutes is up. I can hear them sizzling, but I think we're gonna put them on. Let's just check real quick. Each one gets flipped over and then back in the oven, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna put them on for 5 minutes. We're gonna check them and then put them on for another 5 minutes. And the way that you know, now these are almost done except for another 5 minutes. So you did 10 minutes on one side, you flipped it, and then you did 5 minutes on the other side. And this is exactly the way you want it to look. So shut off the oven, just like this on the bottom. Then you're gonna take your, take your egg, look at them. And you're gonna put them in, you're gonna make your layers. Layer 1. So whatever cheese you have, I have a little bit of shredded left. I have a fresh mozzarella. Next, you need to put some sauce on top and then put aluminum foil over the whole pan, and back in the oven it goes. You did it! I knew that you could. Let me know in the comments below how you ate your delicious eggplant, in the dish or in a sandwich. You even had some leftovers. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.